Hi everybody, my name is Thulisa, I'm from WPHub and welcome to the first module of creating your own website. If you're a beginner, then this is the place for you, or even if you just want to learn. So in this lesson, I will explain what a domain is and what hosting is. And I will show you step by step on how you can set it up. So get your wallets out because you'll definitely be spending money on this. When building a website, you will need an address that will lead people to your site. And this is what we call a domain. And to see what your site has to offer, this is what we call a hosting service. Now make sure you like and subscribe onto our channel so you don't miss the second part of our module. So what is a domain? A domain is the name of a website, a URL to find a website. And a website is what people see and interact with when they get there, such as google.com and facebook.com. So in this example, we're going to set up a site for our brand, WPHub, but this time I'm going to name it WPHubtraining.com. Now remember, when you buy and register your domain, it will cost you money. And depending on how competitive your domain name is, it can cost you a lot of money. A place like Namecheap does list the price right away. So our domain name, WPHubtraining.com, is around $10 per year. So what does hosting mean? So web hosting is an online service that makes your website content accessible on the internet. When you purchase a hosting plan, you are renting space on a physical server to store all the website files and data. Web hosts provide hosting technology and resources required for the effective and secure operation of your website. They are responsible for keeping the server up and running, implementing security measures, and ensuring that data such as text, photos, and other files are transferred successfully to the visitor's browser. In this video, I'll be using WPX Hosting. Why, you may ask? Well, because of the experience, pricing, speed, and customer service, WPX chat support answers within 20 seconds and solves most of your problems. So the recommended hosting site costs up to $20 per month, and you can host up to 5 sites. That is $5 per month per site, which is quite affordable for beginners or anyone else who would like to start. Alright, now that we know what a domain is and a hosting is, let's do a step-by-step tutorial to bring your site to life. So the first thing you need to do is go to Namecheap to check if your domain is already available. So I've already put in WPHubtraining.com, and as you can see, it is available. So all you need to do is add to cart. And then once added to the cart, all you do is say checkout. Once it's done uploading, you can choose how long you want your registration to be, and you can click on auto renew if you want it to auto renew itself every year. And once you're happy with that, all you do is click confirm order. So if you already have an account with Namecheap, all you do is put in your username and password, and if not, you are required to create an account. So my username will be Thulisa, and then I will enter the password that I want for my sites, and then the full name will be Thulisa Sigwabe, and then you enter the email that is required for your password. And then once you're happy with that, you just say create account and continue. And then it will lead you to this page, account contact information. And then all you do is fill in the necessary details that are needed. And once you're done, you click on to continue. Then it will lead you to the contact information page. All you do is scroll down. Then you can also click on to save the configuration above my detailed checkout details. Once you are happy with that, you just click on to continue. Under payment method, you fill in your card details over here. And then when you're done filling them in, you just click on to continue. And then under order, you'll basically see your receipt, and then you say pay now. And then you'll get a notification that says thank you for your purchase, and you'll see your receipt right over here. And now you're done purchasing your domain off of Namecheap. Now when you're done buying your domain name, all you need is a hosting service. So you're gonna go to wpx.net, and then you say start now. And as recommended, we are gonna go with the $20 one. So all you do is say buy now. So you already have a domain name. So all you do is copy and paste your domain name. And then you say continue. So you'll select the hosting location, US, UK, Australia. We're gonna go for USA. So you'll get to this page where you need to set up your personal details. So all you do is fill it up And then once you're done, you click the terms and conditions, and then you will click onto checkout. And then you'll also get to the credit card details. So all you do is fill in your details as well as your personal information, and then you will click on to continue. And when you're done, it will lead you to the page where it says, welcome to the fastest WordPress hosting. So you go over to services, my services, you say WordPress hosting. You will see that WPHubtraining.com is here. You click on to manage service. Now to link your name server to Namecheap, all you do is you copy and paste the name server that's over here, name server 1. You head over to Namecheap, and then you go to name lists. Under name service, you click the drop down arrow. You say custom DNS, and you copy and paste the name server 1 and 2. And once you're done with that, you click onto the tick, and you'll see that now WPX is now the main DNS name server. As it says, the DNS will take up to 48 hours in order for it to reflect. Now that all of that is done, to link your hosting site to your WordPress site, you go to Manage WordPress. Click on Install WordPress on Website. You fill in your email address. You fill in your admin username. Mine will be WPHub Training. And then once I'm happy with that, I fill in the password, and then I just say install WordPress. Once all of that is done, you click onto the URL coming from the email. Verify that you are not a robot. Now that you're on WordPress, type in your username, you type in your password, and now you should be logged onto your WordPress. And that's it. Now you've created your site. Yay! Now your website is live. WPX also provides SSL certificates. If you don't know what that is, click onto this video over here. Now in our next course, I'll show you how you can use a WordPress dashboard. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. And don't worry, if you miss out, we'll provide the whole course link in the description box below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!